So I've got the latest Photoshop here. Let's try out some AI generation. Just select all and type in prompt. Okay, well that's not really a mower or Parnell for that matter. Okay, maybe that's Lord Parnell's flag or something perhaps. Let's just search for mower. Maybe a lawnmower. Don't know what I was thinking there. Can't see any more. Maybe they're extinct from that area. Okay, okay. That's sort of... Okay, what about just mower bird? Okay, just put a more precise prompt in there. Let's see what we get. Okay, I mean it's not a mower. There's options here. I mean it looks a bit more like a dodo, that one, and it's 4 legs. That's just strange. Let's get rid of these floating palm trees, I think. I used to have to clone this out by hand. Now I can just select it and say remove. Good thing you get 3 options to choose from the generation. Let's just fix up this eye. Looks kind of happy. Okay, that's I guess a bit more like it. It's got the feathers, but let's get rid of this floating head. Those are really right. Let's go back to how it was. This building needs to be fixed.